What if you could be charged with a serious crime without a fair process, tried twice for the same offense, forced to testify against yourself, or have your property taken without fair payment? Sounds like a breakdown of justice, right? That's why the Fifth Amendment is a powerhouse of protections. It's packed into one long sentence, but it covers 5 big rights that safeguard us in criminal cases and beyond. Many think pleading the Fifth is just about silence, but it's way more. There are limits and nuances shaped by the courts. Today we're breaking down the Fifth Amendment, its text, history, key cases, and why it matters in 2025. By the end, you'll get why it's called the Rights of the Accused Amendment. Let's dive in. The full text. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces, or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. It starts with the grand jury requirement. Serious federal crimes like felonies can't go to trial without a grand jury saying there's enough evidence. This comes from colonial distrust of prosecutors acting alone. But it's only for federal courts. States can use other methods, like a judge reviewing charges. Next, double jeopardy. You can't be tried twice for the same offense. This stops endless prosecutions. It kicks in after acquittal or conviction, but retrials are okay if a conviction is overturned on appeal. A key case, Currier versus Virginia in 2018. The court said if you agree to separate trials, you can't later claim double jeopardy blocks the second one. Then the famous one, no compelled self-incrimination. You can't be forced to be a witness against yourself. This led to Miranda versus Arizona in 1966. Police must warn you of your rights in custody. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. But silence before arrest isn't always protected unless you clearly invoke it. Due process. No deprivation of life, liberty, or property without fair procedures. This applies to federal government and through the 14th Amendment to states too. It ensures fair trials, notice, and hearings. Finally, the Takings Clause. Government can't take your private property for public use without just compensation. Public use got broad in Kelo versus City of New London. Economic development counted, sparking backlash and state reforms. Recently in De Villiers versus Texas, the court made it easier for owners to sue states directly for takings. Today, debates rage over Miranda in interrogations, eminent domain for projects, and due process in everything from trials to regulations. The Fifth balances government power with individual rights. It's not just courtroom drama, it's your shield for fairness and protection. What do you think which part of the Fifth feels most important today? Share in the comments. If you like this breakdown, hit like and subscribe. Next is the Sixth Amendment in our Bill of Rights series.